Okay, y'all, it's Friday and it's time to fire it up. And guess what? Today was a big day because the short shaft water pump showed up that we've been waiting on for a long time. Come check this out. So, what I'm talking about is, if you folks been watching and keep an eye on this build, 1954 Chevy 3100 5-window, we put a later model 235 in here, okay? The later models were a little bit more advanced technology, more horsepower. Also, one of the issues was on the later model 235s, and a lot of folks will know what I'm talking about, the water pumps stuck out too far. And here's the example. Here's an original pump. You can see how long it is. Also the water pump pulley, see how deep it is? Well, now there's a company making them, and you can see how short it's probably maybe 3 inches shorter, but long story short, the radiator will fit in here real nice. Now you got maybe 1 inch clearance, which that's about what you want. So anyhow, so what we did, we've completely went through this truck front to back. We put the Fenton dual intake. Actually, I had to go into my secret stash pile and pull out some original air cleaners that I restored. And we actually, old Mike from Nebraska designed this accelerator linkage setup. That's all handmade. That's that high-tech redneck technology stuff there. But anyhow, we'll put a 4-speed in it, got rid of the 3-on-3, so it's going to go a little faster. Also, open drive shaft versus a torque tube, Bluetooth radio. I mean, this thing, we can compare it to a Cadillac or a Lexus. It just might take longer to get there. So listen, let's try to crank this thing up, fire it up. And I'm by myself, so bear with me. If it backfires, something catches on fire. If it don't crank, let's see. Sounds good. Sounds real good, actually. Definitely need to burn that old gas out of there. I know a lot of y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyhow, I think it's ready to install the front clip. So that's going to be the task for next week. Put that clip on the front and put all the bright work, chrome, bling, whatever you want to call it. But anyhow, this is the big moment. Y'all have a good weekend.